Hello everyone, I'm Sarah, your AI guide. Welcome back to a new English lesson with Safar AI, your journey to better English. I'm here to help you learn about how to use can, could, and might. Let's begin with the key points. Talking about abilities, can and could, talents and skills, showing possibility, might for new activities, making very polite requests, could and might. Practice examples, summary. Talking about abilities, can and could. We use can to talk about things we are able to do now. We use could to talk about things we were able to do in the past. I can speak 2 languages. Now. I could play the violin when I was 10. Past. She can swim really fast. Now. He could draw very well as a child. Past. Talents and skills. You can also use can and could to talk about skills and talents. Examples. He can cook delicious meals. They could sing beautifully when they were younger. I can solve hard math problems. He could draw realistic portraits when he was only 10 years old. Showing possibility, might for new activities. Now let's talk about trying new things. We use might to talk about something we are not sure we will do. Examples. I might join a dance class. Maybe yes, maybe no. She might try surfing this summer. We might learn how to play chess. Making very polite requests, could and might. When you want to be very polite, you can use could or might to ask for something. Examples with could. Could you please help me with this form? Could I speak with the teacher for a moment? Examples with might, very formal or soft. Might I ask you a question? Might we join you at this table? Add please, thank you, or excuse me to sound more polite. Practice examples. Let's practice. Try to guess what each sentence expresses before me. I can cook Italian food. Presentability. Could you send me the report by tomorrow? Polite request. Could I borrow your book, please? Polite permission. He might take guitar lessons this year. Possibility. She could read at age 4. Past ability. Might I use your phone for a minute? Very polite commission. Summary. Let's review today's key points. Use can to talk about present abilities. Use could to talk about past abilities or to make polite requests or ask for permission. Use might to talk about possibilities or to make very polite requests or ask for permission. Add words like please, thank you, and excuse me to sound more polite. Use these modals to talk about skills, talents, and new things you want to try. Thanks for watching. Keep learning with Safar AI, your journey to better English. And remember, practice makes perfect.